Hello, in this video we're going to be looking at exact trig values. So the objective here is to know and use the exact trig values. So the key idea, in exams we are expected to know certain trig values without using a calculator. So we need to memorise these trig values so that if a question comes up in a non-calculator exam, we can answer the question. So here are the exact trig values. So you need to know sine, cos and tan of 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. So pause the video for a moment and see if you can remember as many of these as you possibly can. There's a few patterns that you might notice. For example, sine 30 is exactly the same as cos 60 and cos 45 is exactly the same as sine 45 and also sine 60 is exactly the same as cos 30. So you might notice some patterns which might help you remember these. So pause the video and see how many you can remember and we'll talk through them in a moment. Okay, so welcome back if you've managed to remember all of those. So if we're filling in this table, the first one we need to fill in is sine 0. So for sine 0, you should have worked out to be 0. Sine 30, if you can remember correctly, sine 30 is 1/2. Sine 45, if you remember correctly, is equal to root 2 over 2. Sine 60, if you remember, is root 3 over 2. Sine 90 is 1. Cos 0 is 1. Cos 30 is root 3 over 2, which is the same as sine 60. Cos 45 is root 2 over 2, which is the same as sine 45. Cos 60 is 1 over 2, which is the same as sine 30. And cos 90 is 0. Tan 0 is 0. Tan 30 is root 3 over 3. Tan 45 is 1. Tan 60 is root 3. And tan 90 is undefined. So well done if you managed to remember all of those. That's everything for this video. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you again in another video. Bye!